Amazon FBA is one of the hottest ways to build a business online in 2024. That's right, fulfillment by Amazon. Despite the challenges, there's still massive opportunity selling on Amazon this year. While it may not be the cheapest or easiest revenue stream to create, it can be incredibly lucrative if you have a comprehensive understanding of the process. By the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge you need to start your own Amazon FBA business and join the ranks of successful entrepreneurs. Let's get started! What is Amazon FBA? FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. This means you send your products to Amazon's fulfillment centers, and they handle the storage, packaging, and shipping for you. Essentially, you're leveraging Amazon's massive logistics network to get your products to customers quickly and efficiently. It's a game changer because it allows you to focus on other aspects of your business, like product research, marketing, and scaling, while Amazon takes care of the heavy lifting. But you must be aware that this option to sell on Amazon will incur fees. The fees such as FBA fees, warehouse fees, placement fees, and low inventory fees must be included in your final product price. Why start an Amazon FBA business in 2024? 1. Market growth. E-commerce is booming and Amazon continues to dominate the market. 2. Global reach. With Amazon, you can sell to customers around the world. 3. Prime benefits. Access to currently over 230 million Prime members who prefer Prime-eligible products. Amazon Prime is one of the most popular subscription services in the world. 4. Scalability. Once you find a successful product, scaling your business is much easier with Amazon's infrastructure. These reasons make Amazon FBA a powerful opportunity for entrepreneurs looking to build a sustainable and scalable business. Finding a profitable niche and product is the foundation of your Amazon FBA business. 1. Market research. Use tools like Jungle Scout, Helium 10, and Amazon's bestsellers list to identify trending products and niches. Check out the video in the description. Helium 10 vs. Jungle Scout for a more in-depth look. 2. Product criteria. Look for products with high demand, low competition, and good profit margins. Aim for products with a selling price between $20 and $50, lightweight and not easily breakable. 3. Supplier. Research. Once you've identified potential products, find reliable suppliers on platforms like Alibaba. Look for suppliers with good reviews, verified status, and communication skills. Remember, thorough research is key to finding a product that will sell well on Amazon. Setting up your Amazon seller account. Now that you've found your product, it's time to set up your Amazon seller account. 1. Sign up. Go to Amazon Seller Central and sign up for an individual or professional seller account. 2. Account details. Provide necessary details like business information, tax information, and payment methods. 3. Verification. Complete the verification process by providing identification documents. 4. Storefront. Setup. Customize your Amazon storefront to reflect your brand. Setting up your seller account is straightforward, but make sure to follow all the steps carefully to avoid any issues. Now let's list your products on Amazon. This is where you can showcase your product to potential buyers. 1. Product listing. Go to Seller Central, select Add a Product, and fill in the required information. 2. Keywords. Use relevant keywords in your title, bullet points, and description to improve your product's visibility. 3. High-quality images. Upload high-resolution images from multiple angles. Consider hiring a professional photographer. 4. Pricing. Set a competitive price. Research similar products to find the sweet spot. 5. Product description. Write a detailed and persuasive product description, highlighting the benefits and features. Check out the video in the description. How to write a compelling Amazon listing for a more in-depth look. A well-optimized product listing can significantly increase your chances of making sales. With your product listed, it's time to ship your inventory to Amazon's fulfillment centers. 1. Create a shipping plan. In Seller Central, create a shipping plan specifying the product's quantity and shipping method. 2. Labeling. Ensure each product has a scannable barcode. You can either label them yourself or have Amazon do it for a fee. 3. Packaging. Package your products securely to prevent damage during transit. 4. Shipping. Choose a carrier and ship your products to the designated Amazon fulfillment center. Shipping your products to Amazon is a critical step, so make sure everything is done correctly to avoid delays or issues. Pro tip: some suppliers can ship directly to an Amazon warehouse, meaning you never have to handle the product. However, we recommend only doing this once you've established a relationship with your supplier and confirmed they consistently deliver high-quality products. Remember, a poor quality or damaged product can negatively impact your reviews and, ultimately, your business. If you have any storage space, consider having your large order delivered directly to you and then shipping to Amazon as needed. While this may not be an option for everyone, here are the benefits. 1. Quality control. Inspect each item to ensure they meet your standards. 2. Reduce warehouse fees. Send products to Amazon only as needed, avoiding excess storage fees. Just be sure to monitor Amazon stock levels closely to prevent low inventory fees and missed sales opportunities. 3. Cost savings. Save money by labeling the products yourself. 4. Optimize shipping. Ship to multiple Amazon warehouses in separate shipments to reduce or eliminate placement fees. It's perfectly fine to have your supplier ship directly to Amazon as long as you are confident in the quality and have the margins to pay Amazon for labeling and placement services. This approach can significantly free up your time. And remember, timing is everything. Each step, production, shipping from your supplier, shipping to Amazon, and processing into their system, takes time. Delays are common, so plan accordingly to avoid disruptions. Now that your products are live, it's all about managing and growing your business. 1. Inventory management. Keep track of your inventory levels and restock before you run out. 2. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service. Respond to inquiries and handle returns promptly. 3. Advertising. Use Amazon PPC, pay-per-click ads to drive traffic to your listings. 4. Reviews. Encourage customers to leave reviews. Positive reviews can boost your sales and credibility. 5. Analytics. Use Amazon's analytics tools to monitor your sales, performance, and customer feedback. Managing your Amazon FBA business effectively will help you scale and achieve long-term success. Ongoing monitoring is key. 3 most important takeaways. 1. Listing your products on Amazon. Continuous keyword research. Always research and update your keywords. Some will perform well, while others may drain your PPC advertising budget without results. Update visuals and content. Regularly update your product photos and AAIN's content to keep your listing fresh and appealing. Use tools for efficiency. Utilize services like Jungle Scout or Helium 10 to streamline your research and optimization process. 2. Shipping your products to Amazon. Monitor shipping plans. Keep a close eye on your shipping plans both from your supplier and to Amazon. Ensure you stay on top of your shipments even after your products are checked into the Amazon warehouse. 3. Managing your Amazon FBA business. Ongoing management. Continuously monitor your inventory, customer inquiries, advertising campaigns, and reviews. Regularly check your analytics and account health to stay informed about your business performance. Quick issue resolution. Be proactive in addressing issues like mistakes, customer complaints, damages, and lost products. Swiftly resolving problems minimizes delays and reduces the impact on your business, ensuring your products reach customers promptly. Be warned, once you've found the perfect product in just the right niche, bad actors can swoop in, steal your sales, and potentially ruin your business. But don't worry, there is hope. For tips on safeguarding your business, check out the video linked in the description. Protecting yourself. When selling on Amazon, remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes hard work, dedication, and a lot of learning. But with the right approach, you can build a profitable and sustainable business on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay boss-free.